Hello, dear Libra, and welcome to your weekly readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. This is for the Libra Sun, Moon, and Rising, and these are general readings. So let's get started. How does it start? It starts with a wonderful energy, my dear Libra. It starts with an energy of harmony, of love, of peace, and of satisfaction. You are being on the same page than everyone else. Everything is going your way, especially thanks to your communication skills, that things are going really, really well. You are feeling nice about things. You are feeling blessed about your interpersonal relationships at this point of time. That is at the beginning of the week. If you've been having some misunderstanding, miscommunication with somebody, is going to get sorted out at the beginning of the week, my dear Librans. And then we go to the midweek. Well, the midweek is a bit of a challenge energy. There is going to be, like, you are not going to be on the same page than everyone. There is going to be some kind of challenge that can come up. This challenge can be to be on the same page than everyone, basically. You are going to have an opinion and they are going to have their opinion, and there is going to be a misunderstanding, miscommunication at this point of time, my dear Librans. And I also see that in communication is going to, nothing is going to be easy. Convincing is not going to be easy. Negotiations are not going to be easy. Discussions are not going to be easy in the midweek. Because, is that you, Libra? Because normally Librans know how to get out of this kind of situations. So I would like to tell you, just be your Libra self at this point of time, because even if there are people who are going to try to test you, are going to disagree with you, are not going to be of the same opinion than you, you need to be your Libra self. Be the fair judge over here, my dear Libra, in the midweek, okay? Because I see ambiguity, adversity, and quarrels and conflict energies are quite present in the midweek. Also, there can be some things related to administration, also papers, administrative papers, or there can be a sort of a confusion, my dear Librans, in the midweek. So try to sort things out, not at the spur of the moment, but take your time. When things get overwhelming, take your time. Just take a small break, and then you should come up with a particular solution or a particular suggestion in the midweek. All right, so just take care and don't get drawn into this energy of pessimism, because this is what can happen midweek. So just try to remain upbeat all the time and saying, okay, fine, this is just another day that things are not working out. Tomorrow it's going to be fine, okay? So just have that attitude, just like a free liberal spirit soul, just be like that, because everything is momentary, right? And so is this phase, this midweek going to be, because we are going to the end of the week after. And the end of the week is a wonderful energy. It's an energy wherein you might meet some new people. You might meet some people you haven't met since very long. Surprise visitors, surprise guests, or you are giving surprises to people at this point of time. And you're going to be really happy by the end of the week. There are going to be some foreign connections also. This is what I'm seeing for some Librans, wherein they can be calling a friend from afar, from offshores, and discussing with them certain things, and that's going to be a very happy moment. Like we say in French, it is retrouvailles, means a reunion with people after very, very long. Even two people haven't met for very long, and then they meet. That is that kind of, that there's so much to say, because imagine that scene, like you have not seen a friend of yours or a relative or a cousin of yours for, like, say 5-6 years, and then you meet, or even if you call them, and then there's so much to speak, and then just like time just flies, and you don't realize the 3 hours you've spent on the phone until your phone says battery gone. Right, my dear Libra? So this is the energy for the end of the week. This is what I am seeing. And you might get some kind of opportunities also for some of the Librans from offshores, some kind of opportunities, sentimentally speaking, professionally speaking, for the studies also, for Libran students also, there can be some kind of openings that can come on the horizon at this point of time. So keep your eyes open, my dear Librans, for that. And now, when I'm looking at these energies, the sentence that comes to my mind is choose your battles. Choose your battles wisely this week, and not just this week, but every time in life. Because my dear Libra, is that not everything deserves a reaction. Not everything deserves a reaction. I mean, it's such a waste of time and energy to give a opinion on everything, to give a reaction on everything. I mean, for me, I'll tell you my experience. At the beginning, I would be like that, I was like fire, fire, like whatever is injustice, I would not like it, or I would like to express how much this is an injustice and all. And then finally, I was saying that to the person who is in that particular situation of injustice is not reacting, why am I reacting upon that? It is that person's job to react upon that, right? You can help somebody out of a particular situation by fighting for them, but if they are not doing anything, who is the loser here? It's you, because you are getting into a mess. It's like going into a sinking sand, trying to get the person out of that. They love that sinking sand because they are sinking down. Okay? You're trying to give a hand to somebody to pull them out of there. And in that, what is happening is that you are getting dragged into that sinking sand. You are also going deeper into that sinking sand. So keep that in mind, is that not everything is supposed to have your reaction. Sometimes, we just have to let go of things, unless they really, really matter to us. Unless there is something that needs to change over there. And the change has to start from our perspective, from the way we look at things, my dear Libra. Because what is happening even in today's world, when I see, everybody just wants to react on something. But reaction never gives solutions, Discussions do, but reactions never give solutions. So those battles that we fight, we need to choose them. Because imagine every battle, if we start fighting, what are we going to end up into? Tired, nervous breakdown, and nervous wrecks at the end of the day, right? So if somebody is just pushing some kind of wrong nerves of yours or making you react, my dear Librans, at that point I would really like to tell you is that, see first if it really needs to be addressed. I mean, does that person really need your attention? Ignorance is the best revenge at times, Ignorance is the best revenge at times. You don't need to attend to every small thing that is hurled upon you. You just need to, shield yourself in such a way that it doesn't affect you, You have to have that, that it really doesn't affect. But yes, if there are certain things that really need to be addressed, that really need a piece of your mind, then definitely address that. Then you choose it, like I'm going to fight this battle of mine, but not all of them. So be wise when you choose your battles, my dear Librans. Not everything requires your reaction, but it does require you to choose of what you're going to react on and what you are not going to react on. And always, always remember something, my dear Libra, is that if you react, that means you have already been manipulated in a particular conflict, in a particular fight. If you have reacted in a explosive way, you're gone. You're already a prey. You've already been manipulated. So take care when somebody is trying to pull you into their mess. Stay afar and see whether it really requires you to enter into that mess. Is it really required at that particular time, my dear Librans? So thank you for listening, my dear Librans. Please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.